right, so let's look at a map of the city of Toulouse in the south of France. And if you could one day go there and do a semester abroad, they do teach the classes in English at the University of Toulouse. It's a wonderful university. The city is amazing. And so let's look at what, a map would look like, and it will help you for preparing your assessment, the first part of your final project. So let's look at that map. See here, the P stands for parking. So let's say you rent a car, or you're with friends and you need to find a parking. So the P is parking. So where could we find a parking? Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so for example, here's a P for parking, okay? Then parc relais, that's where you park and then go on the bus. Okay, we have that here also in Phoenix, Arizona. Then M is for métro. Métro is the subway, remember? So Toulouse is not as big as Paris, so they only have 2 subway lines. Okay, line A and then line B. So if you were staying, for example, here at this place, you could hop in the, Metro Ligne A, all right? And then you can follow and see if you wanted to go here, you can come out at this station, okay? So if I bring it even closer, so this is called Patte d'Oie, okay? C'est la place de la Patte d'Oie, okay? And the subway station is called Patte d'Oie, all right? So Patte d'Oie really mean a goose feet. Look how the streets are lined up like a goose feet. I'm sure you probably don't play with geese too often, but anyway, the French are very poetic. So if you were to take that subway line, see there's another station here, huh? And there was a fold in my map, so that's why it's not perfect. And then let's say you wanted to come here, all right? You see you have a lot of antique place here, a monument to visit. Toulouse is a very ancient city, okay? There's a lot of Roman ruin there, and it's a city built with like pinkish reddish bricks. So when the sun is setting on all those monuments, it's absolutely beautiful, gorgeous. You have a huge river here, and you can take, just like in Paris, you can take little river tour, So then if you wanted to, get at this place here, so see the metro is called Esquirol. All right, so you would come down at Esquirol, and for example, you could walk to the Musée du Vieux Toulouse, which means Museum of Old Toulouse. All right, so that's how you're gonna go about to work on your project. Okay, you need to find a map with all the different, so this one, for example, has the subway, and also you can see, so let's move back here, come on. All right, so do you see, so we have the subway, it's not very clear, sorry guys, and navette aéroport, okay? So this would be where you would get the bus, that le navette, okay, that would take you to the airport, all right? So see, it's got the little, here we go. Do you see right here, you have a navette airport, okay? And then taxi, so that's important, if you go out party, you need a taxi to go back to your place. So then you can see on your map, there's taxis in a lot of places, okay, right here, all right here again. All right, and then they have something else now, it's new, and it's a tramway, just like we have in Phoenix, all right? So you can see the tramway start here, all right, and it goes this way. So that's important. Office de tourisme. That's important because you go there and they usually have a lot of brochure and a lot of help and great ideas. That's the job. Hospital, alors hôpital en français, okay? So the S in English is turned into an accent, okay? You can see that with hôpital, forêt, forest. Okay, those are common words that we have that have a small spelling change. So important too, but I hope you never go there. So you have one right here, okay? So you can see how you're going to be able to use the map and find a way to go from one place, for example, La Patte d'Oie, do you remember? And maybe you want to go visit the museum, all right? So that will help you with your project.